Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today we have here an Anker product, the Powerline Lightning cable. So I've been looking for a second option on a lightning cable because I need one, and I didn't want to go to the Apple store to buy the default one from Apple because it's just really expensive, and I didn't want to spend that much on a small piece of lightning cable. So I went online, searched for a third party option, and I came across Anker. Um, and so I decided to buy this lightning cable by them because I saw the reviews on Amazon and they were great. And I also saw reviews on other blogs and everything. And so I bought it. I received it last week and I've been using it and I've been enjoying it. And I just wanted to do a quick review about this awesome new lightning cable by Anker. It's really fast to charge the iPhone, and it's really fast. And it's a great small product. I have the 3 foot lightning cable from them, just because I needed I just needed something short, to put in my bag really quickly whenever I needed to connect it to a computer or to a charger. So a little bit of info about this product. It comes in 5 different colors that you could buy it from. They're saying from their website it is 5 times stronger than any other cable out there. It's Apple MFI certified, so that means that it's made for Apple products. So it's made for the iPod, iPhone, and the iPad. And there's some crazy features inside this cable. So it's bulletproof mid fiber, which I don't even know what that means, but it sounds really cool. It has a ground wire. It has 30 AWG data wires inside it, and so much more that I don't even know, but it sounds really cool what all these stuff that they put into these cables, and for a very little price, which I was surprised about. It's a great product. I've been using it for the past week. I like it. I've been checking out other products from them to do reviews about. If you're looking for another solution for a lightning cable for your iPhone or iPad, I highly recommend you guys go check out Anker if you guys don't want to spend a lot of money on the default lightning cables that Apple sells for a lot more, and that really easily break after like a few months of using it. So yeah, that's the Anker Powerline lightning cable, and I will see you guys later. Peace.